Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to blur a background in Photoshop. Go to the Photoshop select option, then choose subject. Background layer copy and click the mask icon. Again, background layer copy, Ctrl hold the select subject. Go to the select option, then choose modify to expand. We use radius 23. Choose lasso tool and shift hold increase selection. Go to edit and choose fill. Then choose container. And deselect. Now we go to filter, then choose blur to lens blur. Then follow the setting. Ctrl Alt Shift E created all output layer. Go to filter and make smart filter. Go to filter, choose camera raw file. Follow the setting. Choose brightness. And Ctrl I inverse. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.